Congratulations, Coach Pat Aquino, on finally getting your first win with the Blackwater Boston. But looking at the way you managed to close out today's game despite burning what once was a 22-point lead, what for you was the most commendable thing about their game today?
First of all, I would say thank you to God for this win. And then again, that's what we told the boys. Don't stop playing. We continue to play the game. I think the boys did, they did all the things that we needed to win this game. I'm just proud of them, especially this guy, never stopped. And for a fact that the percentage of our 3 points went up. That's one thing that we're looking forward, making a little bit of those shots, and and exploit Rob. I mean, Rob is a big guy, should be exploited, and hopefully, more to come in the coming games. More. But the things that we need to do a lot more. Again, thank you for this game. Hopefully, we can do it one more.
Thank you, Coach Pat. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Congratulations sa first ever win sa PBA. Coach, yan ang big league kaso siyempre sa Miguel yun, Apple. How did the guys were able to keep that composure and eventually yung breaks na pulsing?
Well, again, I told them, I know they're gonna come back. This is a defense, this is a champion team. Coach Leo said, champion coach, everything they're gonna pull on us, just to get back on us. And I just told the boys, never stop playing. Even though they're gonna come back, we know that they're gonna come back. Never stop. Believe in what we're doing, play together, and enjoy the game.
Coach, isang career mo, Coach, this first ever win means to you?
One from the books, of course. Grabe. So tough. So tough to win here in the PBA. I know a lot of challenges, a lot of good coaches around the league, and this is professional. We gotta be professional in a way that you gotta deal it as you gotta deal it with work na talagang you have to perform and do your best all the time.
Second, the first half because Rob was leading the way, but in the second half when San Miguel came back, it was you and some of the guys like E.G. Andrade who were able to finish the job.
Yeah, Rob, I mean, he's a specimen out there. He carried us, the whole way, not just the first half. And it's not just about his scoring, it's just, his attitude, his energy, the way he instills confidence in us. Coach been saying this whole time to believe, he didn't come in and he didn't have an easy job, but his message to us is to believe, to be confident, and we just kept fighting. So I know it means a lot to this group to win this game, especially against a championship team. For us, it wasn't just a regular game. I think we all woke up ready to play today. So.
How's Coach been handling you since he took over?
I mean, Coach Pat gives me the ultimate confidence. But at the same time, he tells me when to be smart. He gets on me when I need to be doing something better. So for me to be able to play through those 4 quarters, and I wasn't necessarily shooting the ball well. I think it means a lot to me to help us close the game out. So.
Cedric, this is your first time to beat San Miguel.
Yeah, first.
So how's it feeling?
It feels good. I mean, those guys have been at the top of the top. They know what it's like to win. They know what it takes to win. A lot of the guys have had careers that you dream of having in the PBA. So, that was kind of the motivation today, was just to go out there and compete with those guys.
Coach, can you just talk about the contributions of other key players like DJ Andrade, si Paul Zama, and even rookie CJ Oscar?
Yeah, it's about, contributing as much as you can. I know they have talent. I know that's why they're in the PBA. That's why we give them the opportunity and the time to play. And it's just showing up and being confident out there and playing together with, with the rest of the guys, especially with the guys like Rob and Seth and CD. And I think we need a lot more of them from the team, and hopefully everybody can contribute as we go along the way.
Coach, kumusta yung moral ng team after yung loss nyo sa Phoenix? Kasi we're coming off a game na ang ganda nung pinakita nyo against TNT, and then, ayun nga, natalo. Kumusta naman yung after that game?
It was really not a down morale defeat for us. But it's siguro sabihin natin na it's parang a motivation for us to come up and play harder, so that we can play harder. And as far as we know, that we can be at par with them in talent, but playing together as one team and enjoying the game as one team.
Coach, with this win, you feel like yung team has one final push in them para maka-try pumasok sa playoffs?
Well, it's one part, but it's not the one that would give us to the quarterfinal. Get us to the quarterfinal. We need more. We need to work more, and I know this is a good start to go with, and hopefully and prepare. It's gonna be hard for us because it's back-to-back games against another defending champion, and of course. I don't think cold, and so you gotta set something for them to believe in what we're doing here is going forward, not going back.
Cedric, just your thoughts about Ginebra waiting for Blackwater.
It's going to be a high-level game. They're a championship team as well. They've seen it all. But we have a whole new look as a Blackwater. Some guy went down, and the next man up mentality is there for us. So I think we're confident. So it's going to be a fight, and we gotta prepare ourselves. Like Coach said, keep working, and come out guns blazing.
Coach, ano lang, ilang na namin. Yung CJ Austria kasi you picked him up, anong nakita mo sa kanya, why you,
Yes, CJ is a very high IQ player. I've been seeing him play in Lasal, and I know he can do a lot for us. Defensively he's there, making some making easy for some of them. Like said, we need somebody who's hustling and doing other stuff, and just happy to have him, and of course, just moving forward again. That.
Masanay.
Sorry.
Hey, congrats po.
Thank you.